We need to go to the Fortnite game, click it and open the settings. In this, go to mouse and keyboard settings. You need to scroll down and you have seen the ignore control input is there. You need to click it and turn it as on, and lock input method as mouse is there. It also to be in on. So both the modes should be in on, and click apply. After that, close it. On the next step, you need to go to the search for device manager. Click it, click the device manager, and the device manager settings will open. In this, you need to go to the keyboard, and you have seen the standard keyboard is there. If you're using any other keyboards, it will also come. You need to right click and update the driver. Once the driver is updated, after you need to scan for hardware changes. And the next step, you need to go to mouse and other pointer device is there. You need to click it and update the driver. Once complete, after again you need to right click and go to scan for hardware changes. So we can do like this, or else we can update by using the Windows updater. So the updates are coming through Windows update also. So we can update by Windows updater also. Okay. The third step, we need to go to C drive and scroll down, and you have seen the program file is there. You need to click the program files and go to Epic Games and go to Fortnite game, binary, Win64, and scroll down. You have seen the Fortnite setup is there. You need to right click it and go to properties. In this, you have seen the compatibility mode is there. You need to click it and search disable full screen optimization is there. You need to enable the disable full screen optimization. It's important settings, and click apply and click OK. Once doing this, close all the tabs, and you need to restart your PC to make the effectiveness. Thank you.